Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. In the international market expectations for US inflation rates have reached the highest levels in a decade, driven by prospects of larger fiscal package, progress on vaccine rollouts, and pent-up consumer demand. The US 10-year TIPS Treasury Inflation Protected Securities is now at 2.21 percentage points. The US 10-year closed at 1.29 percentage points and 30-year closed at 2.06 percentage points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at 64.34. Crude's short-term range is $62 to $65 per barrel. Our crude's $70 per barrel target is on track. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.90. As we discussed that from 90.20's strong support, DXY has reversed from 90.20 to 90.90. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.32 to 91.29. USDINR or Chinese yuan is at 646. Please note that there is a Chinese New Year holiday and the markets will open from today. USDINR with a high of 72.92 closed at 72.74 on Wednesday. USDINR's range for today seems to be 72.70 to 72.98. And it seems it will breach 73 very soon. In the domestic market, yesterday the tri-party repo market rate TREPS plunged because of a massive durable liquidity in the system, which in turn led to sharply lower than expected cutoff yields for 91-day T-bill auction. The cutoff yield on a 91-day T-bill fell to 3.18 from 3.33 last week, and the weighted average TREPS fell to 2.24 compared with 2.85 on Tuesday. Reason? As per the sources, RBI had purchased government bonds worth Rs 60,000 crore last week. These purchases by the central bank pushed durable liquidity to a near all-time high, and very short-term rates plunged up to 15 basis points. I repeat, the cutoff yield for 91-day T-bill fell to 3.18 percentage points from 3.33 last week. In the normal benchmark market, 515 GS 2025 closed at 559 versus 555 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 603 versus 602 the previous trading day. Please note that we have rolled over the benchmark from 577 to 585 as the bid-ask spreads are acceptable for trading now in 585 GS 2030. SDLs continued to trade at elevated levels. 708 UP SDL 2031 traded at 7.04 yesterday. Markets will be closed tomorrow on account of Shiv Jayanti, hence tomorrow's GSEC auction has been shifted to today. Night research will be available with the GSEC auction cutoffs by 10:40 a.m. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you next week with a new episode of Night Snippets.